Welcome back to our set of videos on transferring your WordPress site from one domain to another. And in this, the final video, we're going to knock out steps 9, 10, and 11. And we want to open up our original or source database and make a few edits. We want to use the Find and Replace feature to locate all of the original URLs that point to our original domain and change that or replace that with our new or destination URL. Let's go ahead and do that now. Here's our original or source database file. I'm going to go ahead and right click and open that in Notepad++. You can actually use any text editor, but I just like the way that Notepad++ works, so that's what I'm going to use. And we want to come up here to search, replace, and in the find what location, I want to put in the original or source URL, and I want to replace that with the new URL. And you want to make sure you do not have the trailing slash on either one of these. And then let's go ahead and click on Replace All. 951 items were replaced, so good. Click on Close, click on Save. Now ideally, and yeah, I probably should have mentioned this earlier, but whenever we downloaded these files, the originals should be put away in another location so that if something screws up along the way, we've got originals that we can pull back into our working folder and make adjustments to. But that's just a safety precaution. I mean, we still have the original site intact, so push come to shove, we can always come on back here and repeat those first several steps. But speaking of steps, let's go ahead and review our steps again. Where are we at? Step 9 is complete. We've done the find and replace thing. Step 10 in the destination cPanel, we want to import our newly edited database tables. Okay, so here's our file manager. We really don't need this yet. And in the cPanel here, let's come on down to phpMyAdmin. Select our new database, and it's blank. Come on up here to Import and click on that. And then click on Choose File, and then navigate to the location on our computer where our newly edited database is located. And right here that is. Click on Open, and then click on Go. The default settings should be just fine, and it not being a huge file, it shouldn't take very long. And through the magic of video editing, it'll take even less time. Okay, everything is uploaded and everything looks fine. Okay, so we're good to go there. So we finished up step 9, we finished up step 10, last and by all means not least, step 11. Come on back to our domain, uncross our fingers and refresh. Ta-da! Everything's working just perfectly. And let's go and check out the Contact Us form, make sure everything's working. Okay, so far so good. And the menu is working fine. Going back to the home page, and it looks like everything's working just great. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on transferring our WordPress site from one domain to another. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.